Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching Good Times Tech YouTube channel. The reason for making this video is one of my client, he sent me a picture. You can see it here. In this picture you can see that the Sony TV, the Sony 4K TV, it has a line on the left side. So he sent me this picture and he asked me if it can be repaired. So I asked him to bring the TV to my workshop. And when customer brought the TV to my workshop, seeing it from outside itself, I found that the screen need to be replaced. But one of my friend, he does the replacement for screens, LCD, LED, 4K, 8K, whatever it is. All the TVs, he does the replacement for screens. So I took the TV to my friend's workshop. So there what happened, he disassembled it and checked. Unfortunately, I apologize that my friend, he doesn't allow to do the video or take pictures in his workshop. So I am not able to present you the video of the damages TV was caused inside. So what happened is, he told that there is some oxidation which is not, it is easily noticeable, but the oxidation has caused this problem, the line on the screen. And I checked with customer whether he tried to spray some chemicals and try to clean the screen, but customer said he has not tried any such thing, and customer was telling the truth, because when he brought the TV to my workshop, I just inspected it and I found that he had not tried to clean there were no traces of any cleaning the screen. So then I wanted to know what really caused this problem, what really damaged this TV. So after replacing the screen, I took the TV personally to customer's place to check what might have caused it. So when I took it there and fixed the TV where customer wanted me to fix it, this is what I found. You can see in this video, an aquarium is being placed right below the TV. So this aquarium, what happened, even if you want, you can do the experiment. Take one tank or a vessel, fill water in it, keep it idle for few weeks or a month. You will notice that the water has reduced. What made the water reduced? Because the water decreased because it vaporized. Okay, so when the water vaporizes, it forms into moisture and it has entered into the TV and it has damaged the TV. This damage doesn't happen just in a day or two. It may take a week, it may take a month, it may take 6 months as well. It depends upon the amount of water that is being vaporized. That is the amount of moisture present in the room where the electronic device is being placed. So if more the vapor, more the moisture, more the vaporization, sooner the damage happens. So I would like to conclude by requesting and advising you not to keep your electronic devices near water, or not to keep anything that contains water near your electronic devices. As you can see, nowadays many people are using kettles, and I have seen in few of the friends and relatives place, as the kettle is wireless, cordless, so they boil the water and take the jug anywhere they want, and they will even keep it under the TV. As I have made some small demonstration video here, you can see in this one. As you can see, I have kept a kettle filled with water just for demonstration purpose, and you can see the droplets here, water droplets. These are formed by vaporization of water, even on the lid as well. So what happens, whenever you keep containers with water near your electronic device, the water droplets that are formed on this lid will enter into the electronic device and damage the electronic device. As you can see, if you keep the device that contains water, where the water seems to vaporize near any electronic device, the electronic device will tend to get oxidation inside and it will get damaged, it will stop working. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in saving your expensive devices from getting damaged due to fish aquarium or any such kind of water containers that have been kept near your electronic devices. If this video was helpful for you and quite informative for you, Kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.